Connecting your first folder. Now that the app is installed, you can open it directly from your Spaces sidebar by clicking Team Files to see the file manager loading. The file manager is where you can connect your folders to Confluence, browse their content, preview and edit files, and much more. It's also possible to jump right into a page and do everything from there, but we recommend you use the file manager the first time around and get started here. If you're the first person in your team to use the Team Files app, you'll get this empty screen asking you to connect a folder. After doing it, you'll be able to attach files and folders directly to your pages. Click the Connect button. Here you can see all the storage options supported, including Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. At this time, we'll use SharePoint because it's one of the most popular storages. Clicking the option opens the authentication process to sign into your SharePoint account. This is a common step with all the other supported cloud storages. Enter your email, password, click Sign In, and you're in. This is an OAuth authentication process, so Team Files never stores or has access to your sign-in credentials. Now you can browse your storage and select a folder or folders you want to connect. When you're done, click the Connect button. Your folders are now connected to Team Files. You can now start working with your files or connect even more folders at any time. By default, your teammates will see the folders you connect, edit files, and attach files and folders from there to pages. We will show you how to set up different permissions for different users and groups later. In the following video, we'll cover how you can manage the connected folders.